Okay, this is Gracie. She's a little Pomeranian, and she's just a year old now, but at 2 months, her original owner apparently purposely stepped on her back left hind leg and crushed her little femur. So she had to be taken to a specialist where she has a pin in her leg. But the thing is that she goes through stages of great anxiety, and sometimes for a while actually she was in the middle of the night just urinating on herself in the bed. So anyway, just want to help her so she can deal with life a little easier.
So what are you going to do on her?
What I'm going to do on her is do some Reiki and help her with relaxation, and the energy helps them relax incredibly, where they actually feel safer, helps with inflammation, with any kind of discomfort, and they enjoy energy work. They feel it, they gravitate towards it, and as you can see, she's very relaxed. She's not usually like this. So you just set the intention and place your hands in certain areas and go from there. That's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. You just caress them. You can have one hand in one area and just pet them with the other, so they feel safe with you. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. It's amazing how animals enjoy energy. And they're energy animals. With animals, they just enjoy it. They love it. And you wouldn't know that this little thing has anxiety issues. That's how relaxed she has become. There, she's ready to take a nap. That's good. Yeah. You know you're in good hands. That's a good girl. I think she's going to enjoy a nice long nap.